My name is Aniket, and I'm going to talk about fair division of indivisible chores. This is joint work with John and my advisor, Jugalkar. So allocation problems are everywhere. We have online platforms for allocating chores to users and so on. I think everyone here will agree that it's important to pay attention to issues of fairness, incentives, and efficiency that crop up in these allocation problems. And my PhD work has focused on some of these issues, and you can come to my poster on Thursday. But my poster today and my talk here is about a fundamental problem, which is the existence of fair allocations of indivisible chores. So in this problem, we have a bunch of indivisible chores. Agents have additive preferences over them, and we consider an allocation to be fair if it's envy-free, which means that every agent prefers doing the chores assigned to them as opposed to doing the chores assigned to someone else. Now, with indivisible chores, it's not always possible to achieve envy-freeness. So we ask for the closest discrete analog, which is EFX, or envy-free up to any chore. So in an EFX allocation, the envy that an agent has disappears after the removal of any chore assigned to that agent. And the existence of EFX allocations is open for n being at least 3 agents. There's a typo there. So in this context, we can also ask if approximately EFX allocations exist. So in an alpha EFX allocation, the envy of an agent after the removal of one chore is multiplicatively bounded by a factor of alpha. So the current best known result is the existence of order n squared EFX allocations, where n is the number of agents. So in particular, the existence of constant approximate EFX allocations is open. So in our very recent work, we prove exactly this. We prove that for all chore allocation instances, a constant approximate EFX allocation exists. We also show that if you relax EFX further, you can achieve fairness in addition with the efficiency property of Pareto optimality. And how we do this, in a nutshell, we design a new economic framework for allocating chores. So agents want to earn some money by doing chores, but we restrict the total amount of money that they can earn from a particular chore. And turns out that this has some nice structural properties which you can leverage to design algorithms for fair and efficient chore allocation. So we're pretty excited about our results, and I'm happy to talk more at my poster. It's over there. So thank you.